And welcome back to Sun Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 20th to the 24th of April 2026 on Monday. Soga arrives at the wedding in full traditional Zulu attire, moving Paul from anger to relief and joy. Isaac escorts Mampo to him and tells him set an emotional tone on Tuesday. On their wedding night, Soga carries Mampo over the threshold, but she resists intimacy, demanding answers. He almost confesses, but instead lies, claiming he was jailed for drunk driving and bailed out by Sandile on Wednesday. Maria is unimpressed when Isaac and Molefe Howl Musical files into launch. Isaac tells her about Msizi's office offer, defending Msizi as a man with a checkered past trying to do right. She remains skeptical on Thursday. Neo confrontado about making decisions without transparency, and they agree to be more open. Isaac hopes the large crowd is a one-time event, but Molefe report even bigger crowds on Friday. The Molapos hopes for quite a day or for a quiet day collapses as a growing crowd invades their property. Isaac